Soak cotton pads and place them under the bathroom trash can. Silverfish will leave your bathroom for good, without using poisons or traps. Silverfish are insects that dislike light and feed mainly at night. They don't bite or carry any diseases, so they're not a health threat to humans. However, many people still find them unpleasant. Don't leave damp towels on the bathroom floor, as moisture is something silverfish love. That's why you should also always leave the door slightly open after a bath or shower. Silverfish avoid citrus scents and also dislike the smell of cinnamon or rosemary. Lavender repels them too. But you don't need to use these products all around your bathroom. Take a few cotton pads from the container and prepare some essential oils. Simply soak a cotton pad with your chosen oil. Rosemary or lavender work well. And then place it under the bathroom trash can. The scent of the oils will keep silverfish away. You can also leave a pad near the washing machine. If you add essential oils to warm water in a bucket and wash the bathroom floor tiles with it, the effect will be even better. This will discourage silverfish from visiting your bathroom.